Got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news, I am the bad news. Except in this video, there's more bad news. My amp is in Protect. It's not irreparable. It can be repaired, obviously. It's a piece of equipment. It can be repaired, but it needs to be repaired. I don't know what happened. Like, I got in the car one day, I started it, and it just, pop, it went into Protect. I said, it sounds like the output is somehow damaged. It sounds about right, I guess, but I don't know how that happened. So far, I've checked pretty much all the wires. I mean, I still need to go through and thoroughly check each and every one, but like, so far, everything seems to make sense. Like, when I first started checking it, when it first went bad, you know, everything was still plugged in, power was good, remote was good, you know, everything was looking the way it should. I checked the grounds. I read online, a bunch of people were saying it could be the RCAs and the speaker cables or something like that. The speaker, I was still getting the same resistance from the sub, so that seemed like it was fine. Nothing had continuity where it shouldn't have been. I did have continuity where it should have been. I unplugged the RCAs and the speaker wire, so it was basically just connected to the power, still in Protect. And then I tried what's called the battery test, where it's basically you hook it up directly to a battery, so there's no fuse like under the hood. As short a wire as possible. You're just trying to see, does it work hooked up like this? I don't recommend what I'm about to do, but I'm about to do it. And even like that, it was in Protect, so that was telling me that something internal in the amp is actually wrong and need to be repaired. So honestly, like, without even playing, like, this is my therapy right here. Like, this is like when I'm having a good day, when I'm having a bad day, like any kind of day, like, I need my bass. I'm just really concerned like it was my wiring or something, like something about my install. I don't want to like install another amp and have the same thing happen. So I'm definitely gonna take this apart and check out the guts. That's for damn sure. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna check back in with you in just a minute. I've been looking over for a minute and I don't know shit about amplifiers. Nothing looks burnt up. Like normally if something like actually burns up, you can literally like see that it's burnt up. But like nothing down there is like obviously burnt up or damaged or anything. So I don't know, no bass, no fun. It's what the inside of a Sundown SCV-1500D looks like. Like when it's something obviously wrong, like you're like, oh, there's the piece. That's like a little more comforting, but like when you can't even tell, that'll bug you. So that's the story with the amp for right now. The DaSlapBox is currently just a regular ass Scion XB. While it's down, I'm gonna try to knock out some other stuff, sound it in a couple pieces, or maybe do something to the hood that I've been planning on for a while. I don't know, we'll see. And as always, I appreciate you watching. If this is your first one, welcome. If this is not your first one, welcome back. Yeah, I'll show you the bad news first. I'm not gonna tell you to follow me on social media because this one's just a quick update. I'll show you the bad news first. Skirt! So this is a very quick update. I sent the amp into the amp lab like maybe a week ago. I should be back in the game soon enough. I was looking at some new amps, but I don't want to get something just to cover until I upgrade. I want to get like the upgrade. So I decided just to fix the one I got. That's what's going on with that. It's being fixed, which it needs to happen because like, god damn, I need some bass.